one of the things that we hold truly dear to our hearts is we're educators. We are blessed to teach here in the college, and we teach air conditioning for a living. So we take education to be as an integral part of our fiber of the company, but at the same time, we believe that education is integral part of the community, right? So because of that, we thank the members of the CCSD, right? The CCSD family. We thank them by offering, right, anywhere between a percentage off to many different rewards, because they are part of, right, what's going to make the city better. So that another thing is because of our we're veteran owned, right? So our veterans we're extremely proud to be able to service them and make sure we can provide the best thing for them, because we are veterans. That's who we are. So CCSD and teachers and educators is so important, as well as our current and former military family. So we take care of them as a thank you for your service. That's what we do.